Hi, welcome to MathforAll's Math Nugget, where we will learn about adding positive and negative numbers. I'm going to give you some different strategies for looking at these, and then you'll get to pick which one works best for you. Think about where we might see negative numbers in real life. Cold temperatures like 7 degrees below zero? Brr! Or money. If you owe your mom some money because you really wanted that game, you are in debt and are in negative number land. Football, like if a team loses yards on a play, their gain would be -4 yards or whatever. Oops! 2 things to think about. The plus or minus in front of the numbers are attached to the numbers like this. The plus or minuses in the front are bossy and tell us which way to go. And if a number doesn't have anything in front of it, there is an invisible plus sign there. We can figure out positive and negative numbers the following ways: number line, dollars, pluses and minuses, and a mathy way with absolute values, but I won't go over that today. It's not very useful in my opinion. Let's start with an example, and I'll solve it with each of the useful methods. -6 plus 4. Number line. We start at the first number, -6. See it there below the 0? Then plus 4 tells us to hop forward 4 places, landing at -2. Using money, I'll start at -6 again, thinking that I bought something for $6, but I didn't have any money to begin with. That plus 4 says that I earned $4. But that wasn't enough to cover my debt, so I still owe $2, which is an answer of -2. Using pluses and minuses, -6 tells me that I have 6 negative signs like this. Plus 4 is 4 positive signs underneath. Now the cool part, any pairs of plus and minus signs equal 0, so we can just blow them up like this. Kaboom! Then you just see what's left over. For this one, we have 2 negative signs for an answer of -2. Let's do one more all these 3 ways so you can make your decision of what works best for you. -3 minus 7, which is the same thing as -3 plus -7. That extra plus sign is optional, so don't let it bug you. Number line, we start at our -3. Then, the -7 tells me to hop backward because of the negative sign in front of it. 7, boing, 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 7 times. I wind up at -10. Money. I start at -3, meaning that I owe $3. But then, instead of earning $7, I wanted something else to buy, so I spent $7 more. Now I owe $10 for an answer of -10. Positives and negatives. The -3 tells me to draw 3 negative signs. Then the -7 says draw 7 more of them. Nothing cancels out this time, so we have more negatives for an answer of -10. Let's try these. Using a number line for the first one, start at 7, go back 1, and now I'm at 6. Using money for the next one, I owe $3. Then I spent $8 more, going farther into debt, for an answer of -11. I better go earn some money quick. Using symbols, I draw 6 negative signs first, then 5 positives. Everything cancels out except for that 1 negative sign for an answer of -1. I hope you enjoyed learning these different methods for adding positive and negative numbers. Which one is your favorite? I'll tell you that I think I prefer the plus and minus symbols because I can see them so well and I get to blow them up. But I have used the money idea a lot also. Let's try these guys real quick. -2 plus 7 minus 3 minus 1. Money. I'll just go in order. I spent $2. Then I earned 7, so I'm ahead by 5. Then I spent 3, so now I'm at $2. Spending $1 more, I have +1. 9 plus -7 plus -4 plus 3. Symbols. The 9 has an invisible plus in front of it, so we'll draw 9 plus signs. Underneath, we have 7 negative signs. I'll draw 4 more negative signs for that -4, and then I put 3 pluses here. All these cancel out. Cool. With one lonely plus left over for another +1 answer. We should just write it as 1, though. Great job on this quick lesson on how to add positive and negative numbers. Please go to my website, MathforAll.net, and see which other videos you can watch so that you can keep learning more about math. Can you not? Can you stop? Can you stop? Okay, can you go night-night now? Shh, go settle. Oh, okay, no. All done. Okay, that's enough. Got it? Here we go.
Hang on.
Lanai, that's enough. You can't even swallow now.
Okay,
All right.
far from me.
Yeah, I will.
We have our end card.
Great, just wait.